How to set up digital wallet on TD Bank app. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily do this. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and there in the search bar you will have to search for your wallet. If you are using Android, then you simply need to search for Google Play, but if you are using the iOS device, then you just have to search for the Apple Wallet or any other digital wallet. Then you just have to simply click on the install button in order to download and install it. Let's say I have downloaded the Google Pay, so you just have to simply click on it in order to open it, and then click on the get started button. After that, click on set it up and then tap on the payments tab. In the payments tab, you need to select the payment method, so you need to simply click on it. Then you need to select the credit or debit card option. After that, you need to just either scan your TD Bank's debit or credit card, or you can even enter your details manually. If you selected the scanning option, then you just have to simply place your card in this square, and then it will automatically take the information of your card, like your card number, its expiration date, CVV, etc. So you just have to fill out these details, and then you just have to simply press the continue button in the bottom. Now once you do this, it will show you the terms and conditions page, so you just have to simply click on accept and continue. Then it will take some time to verify your card, and once this step is done, it will ask you your screen lock will be used for Google Pay, so you just have to click on it and you just have to click on the got it button. Then it will ask you to verify your phone number, so you just have to verify it via text. So after verifying it, you will be able to easily add the TD Bank into the digital wallet of yours. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.